Williston State College, in the Information Technology program, success comes in cans, not can'ts. The Information Technology program at Williston State College includes 4 options for the students to take. Those 4 areas include networking, cybersecurity, automation, and coding. Soon to be information of things, or Internet of Things, I should say. And a student will pick one or more of those areas to complete their training here.
Being here for hockey, I was kind of picking and choosing what I wanted to get into. And coming here and having teachers like Ken and all the teachers around me who've helped me get to the point where I'm at today, I'm very grateful. And the things that I've learned will actually be able to take me throughout my journey through the rest of life. IT is not going anywhere, and I feel that stuff that I've learned here has done a great deal for the things that I'm going to carry on through the rest of my life.
We use a lot of cloud-based learning curriculum, which means that there are no textbooks in print. As an instructor in the Information Technology program, I'm actually a coach in the classroom. I do not lecture, I present the information.
Most of your learning is online, and to me that is a great help as far as if you're a very busy person with either sports, work, anything outside of school. So I definitely am glad that I chose this program.
As a student of information technology at Williston State College, a very important skill is having perpetual curiosity. This lends itself to saying, I have a passion for what I'm doing, my education, and I will research, I will look up, I will do all those things that will make me a better person and make me have more employable skills out there when I'm ready to search that job opportunity.